What's up, V Squad, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look inside my bathroom closet. We're basically just going to be cleaning out my closet because it is really dirty, and I wanted to, bring you guys with me and show you guys, the before and the after. We're going to be taking a look inside. We're going to be throwing some stuff away. We're going to be organizing stuff and all that good stuff. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys give this video that thumbs up. Make sure you guys turn your notifications on. And don't forget to comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see from me. And if you guys are ready, then come on with me and let's get right into the video. Alright, so let's open this closet here. There's a lot of, can you see all that stuff back there? Let's take a look inside. Alright, so this is the before of my closet. Alright guys, so that's the before of the closet. We're gonna set you guys down right here and we are gonna get working. Alright guys, so we're gonna start on this shelf right here. On this shelf we have, here let me see. On this shelf right here we have all of my hair products. I do not use all these hair products, so I'm probably gonna be throwing some away. I got my bobby pins, rubber bands. We got some organ oil. I think this is, moisturizing treatment that I've not used yet. We got some mousse, we got coconut oil, we got some Q-tips. We got, all this good stuff in here. So we're gonna be working on this shelf first. So, everything that I want to keep, I'm gonna put over here. Alright guys, so this is how it's coming along. It looks a lot better. Up there, I'm just going to put all the junk that I don't honestly really care about. Right here is for the shower stuff. So we got the towel so far, the washcloths, the soap. We got razors, we got toothpaste, more razors, more body soap. We got some smell good stuff. And then all this stuff down here that I have, I'm going to be putting it up here next to my lashes, my eye remover makeup. I got this makeup box that I recently just bought, some makeup boxes. And so yeah guys, that's how it's coming along so far. Alright guys, so this is the after of my closet. We got some random junk up there. We got the body wash and towels and stuff right there. And then we have my hair products, my nail polish, straightener, cotton balls, combs, and brushes. And then down here we have the makeup stuff and the perfume and lotion. And then down here we have a bunch of nothing. We got some bleach and stuff, some bath bombs, the hair, and then down there is just my hair and stuff. So let's take a look. Alright guys, like I said, that's the finished product. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give this video that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you guys would like to see what's in my bathroom closet, as in like me like literally going everything that I have inside my bathroom closet, make sure you guys get this video to at least like 2,000 likes. And I will do that video for you guys. And I will see you guys later. I'm out guys. Bye.